guys, and welcome back to another video. Welcome to Sabrina Budgets. And in today's video is going to be a side hustle cash stuffing. So I'm going to be showing you guys from where I got paid from and how much I got paid. So, and I want to also thank each and every one of you that continue to come to my videos and watch it. It means so much to me that I see so many just be engaging with me, commenting, liking, and I appreciate you. I appreciate you so much because it makes me continue to do what I do and to share my journey with you guys, and that you're actually coming along with my journey. Not that I said I have all the answers, because I don't. But what I could share is that someone out there might be low income like me and not knowing, how to budget, because I was that person. I was that person years ago. And when I found this system, it works so well. So let's get to the side hustle, because that's what you guys are here for. So I have these two binders out, but let's move this over so you guys can see. So side hustles. I've made $213. I really made $257.28, but you take out taxes. So $213 is what I have here. eBay, I made $55.98. I sell things over there, and anything that I place on eBay, I put in Macari as well to see which one is going to sell. Poshmark, I really don't mess with Poshmark, because to me Poshmark is more of a high-end, like a more high-end name brand selling app. So $55.98 I made in eBay. Macari, I made $80. I made $83.16, but I don't know if some of you guys know that Macari has changed their fee system. So now they don't charge us the fees. I think they charge the customers the fees, but we do have to pay for when we get it deposited into our account. So I got paid $83.16, but I paid the $3, $80.16, which, hey, I'll take that. Uber, I got paid $18.17. YouTube, $102.97. Yes, I got a YouTube check, and this YouTube check, I know we're in April. This was March, but hey, listen, it's never too late to share it. And yes, I'm still holding on to the money. So that was a total of $257.28. So taxes, I did do $50. It says here $207.28. I don't know how we got to $213. I might have added some dollars probably laying around the house, or probably my daughter gave me some dollars, because she's always like giving me change, because she don't like change. So I'll give her the dollars, she give me the change, and then I'll just swap out the change. You get it, right? So I'm allocating $213. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so first thing that's going to get something is electronics, because I got to work on getting me a new computer. So electronics is going to get 20. Fun is going to get 20, because I'm enjoying my going to enjoy my time while I'm getting out of debt. Travel is going to get 5, and travel, I believe, is in this binder here. And I don't know if I should keep travel and fun to, wait, is it in this one? No, it's not in this one. But since we in this one, let's do products. Products is going to get $10. So 5, 10. Giveaway is going to get 10. So 5, 10. All right. So all right, I think that's it for this binder. Let's go back to this one to go to travel. So travel is going to get, which I never put in travel, but travel's going to get $5. Because I might want to go, you know, travel this summer to go see my mom in Connecticut and my brother. And then Chase Flex is going to get $20. So that's going to be in here. Beauty is going to get $10. And then, all right, and then eating out is going to get 10. So look at eating out, getting money. Eating out is going to get $10. We're gonna just put that in here. Okay, so now we're going into our challenges. In 2024 is going to get 16 plus 14 equals 30. So that's gonna get 30. Look at this bill, guys. Do you see this? It looks so fake. So that's going to get 30. So there go 30 for this one. I'm going to color these in at the end of, well, after this video off camera. And then car is going to get 20. And then Sabrina savings. So I was like debating. I was like Christmas or Sabrina savings, but I'm really trying to get this 100 envelope savings challenge, you know, done. So like I said, no rush, but done. So Sabrina savings is going to get the $58. And I think that would be it after that. So $58, which that one is not taken. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. $58 is going to my savings. So yeah, guys, so that is basically a zero base budget. It's just my side hustle, and that's where I allocated $213. And I'm so happy that this extra income was able to come in. All this side hustle was like, YouTube was March, Uber was 2 weeks ago, Macari was last week, so was eBay. So I was like, you know what, let me just put all the money together and be able to, hey, oh my god, this cat, and I'm able to do, you know, a video so I can show you guys that I do a few side hustles. I haven't done WAG, which WAG will be coming soon because I gotta start that back up now that the weather is nice. I'm going to be doing WAG because WAG is where I get most of my money at. So please, guys, if you like these type of side hustle videos, please hit that like button. So I know you guys are still interested in side hustles, and I'm willing to bring actual videos of showing the dog, you know, just taking a stroll. Because some of them are just, well, all of them are the most cutest little things ever, because I do small and medium dogs. I do not do large dogs because I'm scared of large dogs. But with that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you guys did, like I said, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. Until next time, guys, I see you in the next video.